Hello, my name is Ivy Maria Santander. I would like to talk about the sculpture celebration. Harvey International Ice Snow Sculpture Festival is why may be called it is sometimes unusual, really fans, nice and magical. This wonderful and famous festival is held in China. Instantly is the city of the harvest, as it the golden city is in this country. It celebrates the every year. It has been done since you offered it is 1963. Its sculpture is now in height. May when the mother the technology Sanchez lasers and stood to car at the black. The yards on the large they made their beauty and force. Garable adventure and their splendors. Color made you be in a words of the Phoenicians and the charms world in it credible because the decoration they use are lights that surprise. Singles illuminate the sculpture and at night it seems to be and the sponsoring city. Being there making you feel victorious, happy and brave by endurance the inclement temperature that can reach minus 38 centigrade. Heat sculpture are meant details and flamboyant, colorful and realistic. This beautiful festival in hand every year from December 20 to February 28. That you can not only see the magnificent sculptures but also other interactive activity, such as a carnival of the ice and snow, competition at Levi's International Ice Sculptures, ISDS Lyric Sport, a painting exhibition, spectacular the tradition dance, I wearings are halls perforce.